placidly amid the noise and the haste, and remember what peace there may be in silence. As far as possible,
without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others, even the dull and ignorant. They too have their story. Now, what's the difference?
Me a talk loud and you a talk soft.
It's not about talking loud or soft, Tonyan. It's my tone.
Your tone.
Intonation. The rise and fall of your voice.
So you say, if I talk up and down.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying.
That ever sound weird.
Do you believe in the word?
The word? You mean the Bible?
Yes, the Bible.
Well, I'm not a practicing Christian, but I believe in a God.
There's a scripture that says, in the beginning, there was the word.
Yeah, and the word was with God.
And the word is God. It's showing you the importance of using your word.
Yeah, I understand.
A soft answer turneth away wrath.
An grievous word stir up anger.
You see, you have the blueprint. You just need to know how to use it.
So you say, my voice sound rough?
Yes, you sometimes are very confrontational, and it shows a bit in your face.
Oh.
But the good thing is, you are aware of it.
Yeah, I just need to fix it now.
That's why you're here. Remember, the eyes are the windows to the soul. If you're angry or anxious, it will show here.
Yeah.
So, have you spoken to your boyfriend since we last spoke?
Well, I never want to talk about the issue.
Why?
Cause him did I get ready for leave, go up on the cruise ship.
Oh, he's gone on a cruise?
He's working on a cruise ship.
Oh, that's cool.
Not really, cause I miss him.
That's part of a healthy relationship. Missing each other.
This is my first long distance relationship, and trust me, it ain't easy.
How long will he be away?
6 months.
6 months? I thought you were gonna say 2 years. That will pass in no time. But what you should do is use this opportunity as, the time to talk to him.
Nurse, I don't know if I want to talk about that when him call.
Vanessa, please. Just Vanessa.
Sorry, Vanessa.
I think you should. Listen, when he comes home, he's going to be very hungry for you. Which means he might just do the same thing again.
You're right.
How bad was it with your ex, if you don't mind me asking?
From it physical, it bad. And you get physical a couple times.
Any abuse is abuse. Whether physical, verbal, emotional. I think that's the reason for your confrontational nature.
Well, me, they make a decision say, Me nah make no man put them on pa me again.
That's the right decision. But you still have to observe your feminine side with the man that you love.
Yeah, but me do that.
When you're making love,
Well, yeah.
that can't be the only time, Tonyana. Your voice has to be the voice of reason and understanding.
Oh, you maintain being so calm. You not get upset?
I get upset, but I maintain my calmness with constant practice and being aware of what I say.
Sometimes it's when I don't talk, realize that my tone never right.
Well, that will happen now and then. Just try to be consistent.
Your boyfriend must good with you. I mean, men love soft-spoken women.
I'm sorry, Tonian. I don't do the boyfriend thing.
No, you don't do the boyfriend thing. So that mean you...
No, Tony.
Man, nah, judge you.
I know.
So you do the married thing, but me not send a ring pay finger.
Put it this way. I am happily involved.
Oh, me get it. With a man, not a boy.
There you go. You understand.
You know, Vanessa, I like your spirit. I feel comfortable talking to you.
Thank you. I actually feel the same way with you.